Hey guys, this is VB Theory again, and welcome to another C# tutorial. So I'd like to say a couple news before we start this tutorial. So the first thing is that the VB learning series will resume next week hopefully, and I will start alternating between C# and VB tutorials. So this week will be a C# tutorial, the week after will be a VB one, and the week after that will be C# once again. Videos will come out on Fridays hopefully, but they may be late because of my school schedule. But anyways, let's start with the tutorial. So what we'll be covering today is how to run your application as soon as Windows starts. So that can be made in two different ways. First of which is what we call the registry way. We'll start with that one first. So press Windows plus R, and in this window write regedit. Press enter. So in here there are firstly two sections. First of which is the key section, and the second one is the value section. So in the key section we're going to navigate to HKey current user, software, Microsoft, Windows, current version, and then run. So in order to run our application when Windows starts, we need to create a value in this key with, as you can see here, a name and a path, which is the path of our executable. So we'll do that. Now this is just a project that I started. It's fairly simple. So you need to drag two buttons. The first one will be create registry, and the second one will be remove registry. So double click the first one and it's gonna pop up this button click event. So first we need to import this namespace, so type in using Microsoft.win32. So once that's done, we need to create a new instance of the registry key class. So type in registry key and we'll call it key, and set it equal to registry dot current user dot open subkey, and in between these parentheses we need to type in the path of the key we're searching for. So type in software slash Microsoft slash Windows slash current version slash run. After that we need to specify if the key we're opening is writable. So if we put in true, it's going to give us the privilege to write in that key. Once we open our subkey, we need to set a value inside of it. So type in key dot set value, and we need first to specify a name. We'll type in tutorial for this tutorial, and the value, which is going to be the path of our executable. So type in application dot executable path, and now that we created our value, we need to close our key. So type in key dot close, and that's pretty much it. And now we need to add in a message box just to tell the user that we successfully created our key. Now to remove this is pretty much the same process, so we'll just copy the same code here, and instead of key.setValue, we're going to type in key.deleteValue, and inside the parentheses we'll type in the name that we specified earlier, which is in my case tutorial, and that's it. Now we're going to run this application. First, make sure that Visual Studio is running as an administrator, so just right click it and press run as administrator, and to create registry we press the button and it says success. When we go here and press F5 to refresh, it says tutorial and it has the path of our application. Next we're gonna try to remove it, so press remove registry, and when it says success and we go here and refresh, there's no tutorial values. So if we create registry here and go to the task manager and go startup, you can see here that we have an entry here. It has the path of our application, so it works now. Now for the second part, which is called the folder startup, we need to navigate to a path where we put our application. So go to your file explorer and go %appdata%, and this is going to put you inside the roaming folder in your app data. So navigate to Microsoft, Windows, Start menu, Programs, and then Startup. So as you can see here, there are a couple applications here. So in here we need to copy our executable. Okay, so put in 2 more buttons. The first one will be create file. The second one will be remove file. Let's double click the first one, and we need to import using system.io, and in here we're going to type in file.copy, and for the source file name we're going to type in application.executable path, and for the destination file name we're just going to copy this whole path, paste it there, and just add in, for example, let's just call it tutorial.exe. And what this will do is it's going to copy the executable of our application and just put it in this folder under the name of tutorial.exe. And let's double click the second button and just type in file.delete, and we'll just paste in the path that we wrote earlier. That's gonna be it. Let's try it. So we have this folder here and create file, and as you can see there's this new file that was created here. It says tutorial.exe, and when we press remove file it's going to remove it. So once again we're going to go to our task manager to see if the application is added here. and as you can see, here it is. It's called startup, and it has the same path as this one. So that's gonna be it for this tutorial. As always, the code is in the description below. Don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, and I hope I'll see you next week with another VB tutorial. Bye.